From Monday the 14th of August this year to Thursday the 17th, there will be no GWR services between Twyford and Henley on Thames. The buses will be replacing the trains. At Twyford station, buses will leave from the station front on the Station Road side of the station. At Wargrave, the buses do not leave from the station site but from up the hill on the main A321 road at the top of Station Road. When you get to the top of the road, buses to Henley and Shiplake depart from turning right and from the near side, the same side as Station Road. If you want to go to Twyford, however, you cross over the road, and the bus stop is where the video of the bus is right now, and the bus is now driving past where you will have walked up from in Station Road, with the station at the bottom of the road opposite. At Henley station, the buses are easy. They depart from the car park. At Shiplake, you turn left out of the station, up past the post office and the red telephone box, towards the War Memorial at the top of the road. Use the stop by the War Memorial, and do not use the stop on the opposite side of the road, because this stop goes to Marlow. Buses are not ideal and they take longer, but they will get you there in the end if you have to travel.